Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today we're talking about simple bushcraft tools that'll make your camp life a lot easier, so stick around. Survival in bushcraft isn't all adventure, fortune, and glory. You might find yourself in a long-term or longer-term situation where you need to start creating tools. And those tools need to be used around a campsite to improve morale and make life easier. So today, let's go ahead and dive into broilers, grills, tongs, and more tongs. Alright, so the first thing you want to do in order to construct your broiler is locate a Y branch. And you want that Y branch to be no thicker than about 1/4 inch in diameter. And if you're lucky like me, you find a Y branch with a third branch growing right at the center. That's optimum. If you can't find that, just locate a Y branch and you're good to go. We'll deal with that later. The next step, go ahead and remove all these leaves. And on that center one, remove that bark as well. Okay, the center piece of wood is debarked, looking good to go. Now time for the hard part. I'm going to bend this to my will. I want it to resemble some type of medieval tennis racket or medieval paddle. And to do that, we'll start about right here, slowly bend that wood. Then we're going to take this side and we're going to wrap it around this end over here. And then go to my opposite side and do the exact same thing. Okay, from right here, we have our center branch to worry about. The first one that I wrapped around, I'm actually underneath that center branch. This time I'm going to wrap over top of it, locking it down. Alright, so far so good. Last step, grab 5 to 6 horizontals, debark them, then all you got to do is weave them in. Not bad at all. Okay, check this out. Using one side of your broiler with a couple of Y branches, it will actually give you a stable grilling platform for an improvised grill. Now combine both sides of your broiler and sandwich that meat in between. Along with those 2 Y branches, you have a way to rotate that meal and cook it thoroughly. Okay, let's talk about fire tongs. How many of you seen that scenario where that log rolls out of the fire and then you see somebody grab 2 sticks, they place one on this end and then one on the back end, and they try to pick it up and all it does is it flings out on them or spins out. And they say, okay, well, I'm going to pinch it together like a real set of tongs. One in the front, one in the back, and they get it about halfway and it spins out on them. And finally they resort to taking both sticks and trying to flail the log up into the fire. Well, a simple fix is grabbing a Y branch and a straight stick. Diameter and length up to you. All you gotta do, place your Y branch in front of your log, take your straight stick, go up, come to the back side, and pinch them together. Now you can put that log where you want. And the last pair of tongs I want to talk about are food tongs. Length, dealer's choice. Diameter, no larger than your thumb. A Y at one end is preferred, but it doesn't have to be that way. What I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the material in the center. We're going to start way back here, and the closer we get to the center, we're going to remove more material. Do the exact same thing on this side. And just keep doing it and then slowly work it to where it bends, just like a pair of tongs. Now right now they want to spring open. So what I'll do is I'll grab some number 36 bank line. I'll tie a clove hitch right here and right there. Then all we gotta do is weave some branches in between to lock these two in place. Welcome back. Campcraft cooking tools are outstanding. They boost morale and they make life easier. Now do me a favor, please hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm gonna catch you next time.